Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about Samsung phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys gesture navigation setting how to use on Samsung mobile. Friends, you want to use your gesture navigation setting, so how to set gesture navigation setting and how to use it on Samsung phone device. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, today we will talk about guys gesture navigation full setting. After on phone setting then scroll it. So guys, here is gesture setting and button navigation setting on Samsung mobile. So friends, you can find on display setting, click here. After on display setting then scroll it, and friends you can see here navigation bar setting, friends click here. So friends, first you can see your navigation button navigation setting, and second is swipe gestures. Friends, click on swipe gestures, and friends you can see guys your button navigation will remove on your screen. Friends, now you cannot use. So once you want to back, so once you can back from this line, you can back. Once you want to home screen page, you want to close app, once you can close app. So once you can see, once we can use this gesture settings on Samsung phone device from display and brightness setting guys, click here and you can use once your gesture settings. Once you want to use guys this gesture, once you want to hide guys this line, so when you can hide guys this gesture line also. So once you cannot use your three line and direct, once you can back from here. So friends, now we will off it, and guys you can use this gesture setting. Friends, you can see you want to close any app, so friends you can close. Sorry friends, last button press here and you can use it. Friends, you can see guys this gesture with hide from here. Friends, you want to unhide, and once you want to your three button navigation, then click on navigation bar and then click on three button. Friends, your three button navigation will show on your screen and you can use your three button navigation on your Samsung phone. Friends, gesture settings will remove, and friends you want to change your three button layout style, so when you can change this style also. Click friends display setting and friends click on navigation bar, and friends you can change your three button layout style. Friends, you can see back button will change. Friends, now we can back from left side and right side. Friends, we can close app. So guys, I will set into default style display setting navigation bar, and I will set into default style. So like that friends, we can use friends navigation setting on Samsung phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.